Right, so I was getting a rattling noise under my Honda Jazz, just by the exhaust. I could hear it out the driver's side window, slightly behind me. And so I looked under. What it was, I thought the exhaust was coming off. But what it was, is this little rattly thing is the heat plate to protect the car from the exhaust. And as you can see, it's completely corroded through. The metal there was like thinner than a tin can. So that's held on simply by this little screw, that little guy there. So what I've done is I just got a bunch of brackets here and found which one is the best fit. Now obviously the screw has to go through the hole, so I could drill that a bit bigger, but I really don't want to. This one here, I'm not even sure what it was, might have been a pry bar or something. But if I can get that through there, there's enough protruding through there to give enough purchase on the plate to go straight back into the screw hole. And with any luck, it's even bent to shape. So I'm just going to bolt that in there. And look, no rattle. I'm even going to give it a little bit of a twist so it's a better fit, so it doesn't protrude too much like that. Just going to twist it a little down with a pair of pliers, maybe jump on it with a hammer, and that should fix it. So let's give that a try. So I gave it a little bit of a bend between the old pliers here. Just MacGyvered it up that way. And then under the car, whoops, what I did, that way, that's now pushing down more flush on that. You don't want to take all this time and effort and then have it still wobbling. So I'm going to screw that in. So that is it, in situ, righty tighty, no rattle there. I tightened the other ones up just in case. Those are up here somewhere, right there. And there's another one on the other side. Let's give that a try. And there you go. That's it, no more rattle, and that's all done.